Today I'm going to show you how to make this typography effect in Canva. After uploading your image, drag it to the design, go to apps and type craft, choose this app and type your text and change the font. Let's choose Anton. Change the color to white and shape the text as you want. Add element to design and now adjust the text to fit the banana. Update. Make the text with the edges of the banana. And now duplicate. Delete the banana. Go to elements. Choose the square. Resize it. And change the color to black. Go to layers. Send backwards. Download this page. Upload. Go back to the first page. Delete this one. Use the new image. Resize it. Edit image, remove the background, scroll down to Dutune, Cherry, and change the color to white. And crop the picture from the left and the right side. Go to elements, type shadow, graphics, and make this shadow in the bottom. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.